Scratch, the programming tool of this generation. But mostly, it's a lot of coding fun. Discover Scratch, an education tool from MIT. Many want to become digital gaming and animation experts. So look no further. This course has step-by-step instructions for 5 awesome games and animation projects. We will start with the simple dancing sprite, color-changing rainbow art, engaging with the community, guess your number game, name animation and storytelling. Once you know the basics of how these games have been designed, you can use your imagination to create next-level programs. Perfect for children between age 8 to 16. Also good for parents and teachers who want to help children with after-school coding and learning the next-gen skills. I'm Varsha Khar and I collaborate with WizKids Club. Want to take on digital world of game and animation? Sign up now.